Doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey girlies! Welcome back to my channel, and for this video is gagawin natin itong makeup na to. So this will be the second one. So I super duper love this look, to be honest. If magde-date kami ni Jowa, I would love to wear this because I know that he's going to appreciate the look and all that. But I hope he's going to like this. But you know, he's very supportive, so it's fine. This one would be nice to those couples na magde-date for this coming Valentine's Day, and it really depends sa partner nyo if he supports you wearing makeup, wearing this kind of look and all that. And you know, it depends as well sa inyo what you prefer or ano yung mas confident kayo if you like this one, because to be honest, this one is still wearable dito sa Philippines. It's still okay if you don't mind those people that will keep on looking at you, but basta ikaw parang confident lang, ganda ko, bakit ba? Valentine's ngayon, 'di ba? Ganun yung effect. So, I hope you're going to like this video, and what are we waiting for? Let's begin.
Okay, first thing is this Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation. Sobrang favorite ko to na foundation kasi medium to full coverage siya and sobrang natural niya tignan. And girl, hindi ka mag-worry pag nighttime yung date niyo ni Jowa because of wala siyang white cast. So, okay lang mag-picture-picture. And then this one is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade of Sand. So, yun. So, nilagay ko lang siya under my eyes, sa T-zone area, para lang mag-highlight in those areas. So, next is this NICHIDO Final Powder. So, nilagay ko siya sa under eye area ko. So, binake ko siya ng mga ilang seconds lang talaga. And then, I spread it as well all over my face gamit itong sponge. So, yun, para magstay lang sila ng mas matagal sa face ko. Next is this City Color Contour Effects. So, ginamit ko siya to bronze up my face. So, nilagay ko siya dyan sa temple, sa hollows of my cheeks, sa forehead, lalo na sa forehead because you know na naiya airport yung forehead natin. It's 5-head kissy. So, yun. Importante yan, girl. Lalo na pag malapad yung noo mo. So, next is ginamit ko tong City Color Intense Blush Squad. No, not Squad, but Quad only. Yung shade na ginamit ko is yung peachy na may pagka-pinkish na shade. And then, next is this BYS Highlighting Trio. So, nilagay ko siya dyan sa highest point of my cheeks. And then, dito sa brow bone ko. And then, sa taas ng kilay para pag tama ng ilaw is yan, may effect. Yes, girl. So, hindi dapat kalimutan mag-contour ng nose. This is very, very, very important to me. As in, alam niyo na, I need it. So bad. And then, nilagay ko din siya ng highlighter after sa tip ng nose ko and sa bridge ng nose. And then, let's move on sa eyes. So, ginamit ko tong EVERBILENA Uncover 2 palette. So, for my transition, yung warm na brown yung ginamit ko. And then, binabalikan-balikan ko siya hanggang sa makontento na ako sa kulay ng transition ko. And then next is this shade. So, medyo may pagka-peachy or orangey shade siya. I'm so sorry. Sobrang hina ko talaga when it comes to color. So, a little bit lang talaga yung nilalagay ko at first and then binibuild up ko siya because that's the safest thing that you should do pag mag-apply ng eyeshadow. Pakonti-konti and then just build it up para walang masyadong harsh line. And then next is this dark brown eyeshadow. So, at first is tinatap ko muna siya sa outer part ng eyes ko using this eyeshadow brush. And then, binibuild again. And then, biniblend ko siya after. So, and biniblend ko din siya papunta sa crease na area. Okay, next is this champagne shade. So, kung hindi kayo mahilig masyado ng shimmer sa eyelid nyo, pwede din naman yung matte yung gagamitin nyo. Maganda pa rin yung effect niya. But for now, is ginamit ko itong medyo may konting shimmer kasi alam nyo na, special to Valentine's Day girl So, kailangan natin mag-effort ng konti. And then, blend it after. And then next is naglagay ako ng brown na pencil. And then, itong brush na ginamit ko, eyeshadow brush, nilagyan ko siya ng medyo konting dark brown para lang smudge siya. And then, next is apply mascara. And then, para todo effect talaga, special na special, maglagay ng false eyelashes. Alam nyo, itong false eyelashes na ginamit ko, Taiwan lang to. And then, tatlong lashes yan. And then next is naglagay ako ulit nitong transition color dito sa lower lash line ko. And then yung peachy na shade is nilagay ko rin. And then yung dark brown is nilagay ko siya sa outer hanggang middle lang, pati yung brown na pencil. And then apply mascara. And then after that is naglagay ako ng highlighter sa inner tear duct ko. And then sa brow bone ko din. So, nilagyan ko din siya para may diba? Bongga. So, the special one, Device Cosmetics, ACHUCHUCHU. So, ito talaga yung nagbibigay ng real sa look na to. I love it so much.
So that's it, girlies. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like this video, and if you are new sa channel na to, please do not forget to subscribe and click that bell button down below so that every time I upload videos, you'll get notified. So thank you again for your time and I'll see you next week. Bye, girlies, and I love you.